Today I am here with my secretary, Bhagirath Shetty, to brief you regarding the arrangements of the examination which you have made, which is going to start from 21st May. So you know that this examination, higher secondary school examination, was on hold from 22nd March, and SSC examination was on hold from 2nd April. And later on, as per the government directives, we announced the new dates. And as you all know that this decision was also challenged in the High Court by some parents and students. And later on, the petition was heard, and Honorable High Court gave us a green signal to go ahead with the examination problem.
Some of our students, because of lockdown, they are across the borders of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So to facilitate them to answer the examinations, we have opened 6 centers on the border itself, border of Maharashtra and Karnataka. There are 4 such sub-centers open in Sindhudurga district, and 2 sub-centers in Karnataka. It starts from Patradevi, so that is this side it is Arunda, this is one of the center. Second one, this is in Satarda. Third one, this is in Ai, this is Government Primary School, Dodamarg. Fourth one, this is New English High School, Bedshi, this is Dodamarg. These are the 4 centers in the border of Maharashtra, and 2 more, one is in Chorla Khanapur, Karnataka. This is Government Upper Primary School, and the 6th one, this is in Karwar. This is Union High School in Mazadi. This will cater to the needs of the students which are locked down in borders of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Today it was those balance paper of higher secondary, and it was one of the paper of language, Marathi, and as per our statistics, 3,818 candidates, they appeared for this examination, and all were screened with the help of gun. On the first day, this is the 21st, that is tomorrow, only 365 students throughout the state will be answering. This is a pre-vocational subject, and this is an optional subject to the 3 subjects, that is maths, science or social science. So one of the subject is dropped, and in place of that, there is a pre-vocational. About 6 subjects are there, out of which they have to select one. So only 365 students throughout the state will be answering. We thought that this paper will be like a trial, like a beginning. Only few students will come. The second day, that is on 22nd, 1,945 students will be coming to the centers on this. Maybe very few centers. These are all NSQF, that is a National Skill Qualification Framework. There are about 15 NSQF subjects, like a beauty parlor, like a plumbing, electrification, IT retails, etc. So 1,945. And on the 3rd day, it is a major paper, that is on 23rd. This is the English language one. So where all people will be coming, 19,222 students will be appearing on Saturday. Then there is a gap of 2 days. Then it is about the maths paper that starts. We thought that we will give a gap to the maths paper, and as good as 18,827 students will be appearing. Then it is a language, second language, third language. There is no gap for that, except on 30th, which is I think it is a social science paper, 19,024. That's the second social science paper will be there, and then there is a Sunday. So we have taken that opportunity for a science paper. The major paper, that is a science paper, will be on 1st of June. That's a last paper where the major students, you can say maximum students, will be relieved of the examination. And then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, these are our children with special need, and they are already in a one very small sub-centers, and there will not be any disturbance to the students. That is the care that we have taken.